Hello guys, welcome to Electrical Prep. So today we are looking at direct variation, okay? Under variation we have direct and indirect or the inverse. So today we are looking at the direct sample. So we are taking this problem to solve under direct. So it says given that P varies directly as the square of Q and P is equal to 4 when Q is 2. Find Q when P is equal to 1/4. That is 1 over 4. Good. So this type of question is direct variation. Okay. So under variation, when you say that varies direct, it means that maybe, so we are saying that given that P varies direct as the square of Q. So it means that P So P varies directly as the square of Q. So this how we write it. P is proportional to Q squared. So we use the proportional sign in variation. So P varies direct as the square of Q. This is how we write it in variation. So P is proportional to Q squared. Okay, so this is how we write it. Then we say that if you want to write this in an equation form, you have to represent a constant by this proportional sign. So usually we use k to represent this proportional sign. Okay, so you say that P is equal to k q squared. See, like this. So we can name this as our equation 1. Then we have to look for the value of this constant, because in the equation in the question we're given P to be 4 when Q is 2. So we need to use these figures to look for the constant, which is the K, so that our equation will be complete, okay, in terms of P and Q. So we say that when you can choose to make K the subject from here, or you can substitute back the figures of P and Q. But with this, let's make K the subject. So making K the subject here, we can say that P is equal to K Q squared. We divide both sides by Q squared. So Q will cancel out Q squared. So K will be equal to P on Q squared. And we are saying that when P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to 2, K will be what? That's what we are looking for. So it will be 4 on 2 squared. And it's going to be 4 on 2 squared is also 4. So K will be 1. So we have to put this back into the equation. So we put K is equal to 1. So our equation becomes P is equal to 1 multiplied by Q squared. So to be P is equal to Q squared. So this is the equation connecting Q and P. Don't forget, we haven't answered the question. The question says we should find Q when P is equal to 1/4. So we are now coming to answer the question. But what we're doing, we're looking for the equation that connects P and Q together, which was this. So we are using this to answer the question. So we say that when P is equal to half, okay, we don't know Q, but we know K to be 1. Right? Good. So let's have everything there. And we're having P is equal to Q squared. Now we are looking for Q squared. So we need to make Q the subject. Okay. So we can say that Q is equal to P square root of P. See, because of this. Or you can still maintain it and bring the square root like this. So this one will take off the square. So it's going to be Q is equal to root of P. We substitute the values in. We're going to get Q, which is equal to, don't forget, K is already 1, so we don't need to even show K. Because it's 1, which is root of 1 out of 4. P is 1 out of 4 here. So we get Q is equal to 1 out of 2, because square root of 1 out of 4 is 1 out of 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.